Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to remove McAfee software from your Windows PC. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to remove McAfee software from your Windows computer, there are basically two ways that you can do that, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So option 1 is to remove it using the standard Windows removal method. And whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, what you can do is you can do a search for the control panel and then open up the control panel app on your computer. Here, just change this view by setting to small or large icons, and then you want to find programs and features and click on that. Once you open that, you'll see the McAfee software on this list of software. For example, here I've got the McAfee Security Scan Plus, and if I select that and click on uninstall and change, it'll then uninstall the McAfee Security Scan Plus from my computer. So method 1 is just by using the built-in Windows uninstaller tools and then selecting the McAfee package and clicking on uninstall. And as you can see down here, I also have this webadvisor by McAfee, and to remove it I can also just click on uninstall or change up there and then follow the prompts to uninstall it. But I also want to show you option number 2, which is using the McAfee product removal tool. Now you can download it from this McAfee webpage, and I'll have a link to this webpage in my written guide, and you can find a link to that in the description of this video. But once you're on this webpage, you can just click on option 2. It's going to expand option number 2, and then you can scroll down until you find this link where you can download the MCPR tool. You can click on that, and it's immediately going to start a download for the McAfee removal tool. And if you click on your downloads, you'll see this mcpr.exe file. You can click on that, and then it's going to launch the McAfee product removal tool. On this first window, you can just click on next, then you can click on I agree, and then you can click on next again. Then you'll just need to enter a CAPTCHA code and then click on next. And then it's going to remove any McAfee products that you have installed on your system by using this McAfee removal tool. So basically, it doesn't matter which McAfee products you have installed on your system, it's going to remove all of those products with this tool. And then once it's finished, you'll see this message that says the removal is complete, and then you can just click on restart to restart your system. You'll be prompted if you're sure that you want to restart. You can just click on yes, and that's going to restart your computer. And once your computer has finished restarting, I recommend that you do a search for the control panel, like I showed you how to do in method 1. Open the control panel, then click on programs and features, and then just double check that the software has been removed from your system. So in my case, the McAfee webadvisor has been removed with the removal tool, but I still have the McAfee Security Scan Plus software on my computer. So to remove that, I'll just need to remove it manually, like I showed you how to do in option 1. So to do that, just select it, click on uninstall. It should open this new window, then just click on uninstall, and it's going to remove that McAfee software from your system. Now, if you weren't able to remove the McAfee products using any of these methods, you can use a software called Hybrid Uninstaller, and I'll link some videos on screen now that'll show you how to use that software to force uninstall software from your system. But I hope this quick guide's been useful. Please like the video, and I'll talk to you guys soon.